reading the signal. Class rank used to serve as a small but potent ingot of order. It was a number that you could strike, weigh, and immediately compare. It offered a quick sense of who was first in the forge fire and who was still tempering. But as schools abandoned rank, they also dismantled the illusion that one uniform metric could meaningfully define performance across wildly varied academic furnaces. In truth, class rank was always a brittle metal. It warped under inconsistent heat. Different grading scales, honors weighting, course access, and just even district philosophies. When superheating competition became a concern, schools began quenching the metric altogether. What's left is a scattered field of transcripts. Some polished with percentile bands, others blank, some with narrative explanations, hammered into the school profile like small repair welds. This shift doesn't just affect data. It actually reshapes the rhythm of review. Admissions teams lose a once convenient shortcut, and predictive models lose a feature that often carried disproportionate weight. What takes its place is context. It's the nuance and behavior, which is messier, yes, but it's also truer to the craft. The forge of modern admissions is rediscovering that raw data alone never made the best alloy.